All right, let's quickly get you some reactions that are coming in from Parliament. Let's listen in.
You are just started the session and government wants to abandon it midway and run away from Parliament for no fault of opposition. We are not creating hurdles. Their own allies are creating hurdles in conduct of functioning of business. Their own MPs are giving no trust motion. So their house is not in order and they want to run away from Parliament. This is unacceptable.
Well, our National Affairs Editor Javed Ansari is joining us live. Javed, there's not been a day's work in this 12-day session. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister, they're making it clear that they're not thinking of curtailing this session. But what really is the government's strategy to ensure that the Parliament functions? Session is going to be curtailed. I believe our National Affairs Editor Javed Ansari is now through. I can speak to him. Javed, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister just listed out the priorities for the government as far as the legislative business is concerned. But what really is its strategy to ensure that some of this business is actually transacted in-house?
Only the very essential business, which is the demands for grants, will be passed. Otherwise, I'd be very, very surprised if the opposition allows this government to pass any legislation at all, transact any formal business at all. Their strategy is simple. They want to hammer home the point that this government has become lame duck, that it does not have the political or the moral authority to continue in office. There are only a couple of months left before we have the general elections, so perhaps Parliament will meet again once for a vote on account, because you need money to run the government till a formal budget is passed, till a full budget is passed. So that.
Madam, question number one. Question number one. Madam, I have seen the answer which is given by the Railway Minister. Now, in his statement, he has mentioned about the projects which is taken over in Northeast. Now, Madam, we are very much anxious about the completion of railway project from Lamding to Badalpur. Now, this Lamding-Badalpur project was started in 96, but it was to be completed in 2006. It was not completed. Again, the Railway Ministry repeatedly, they have given us date. They have given us date 2010, then 2012, then they wanted to give it as a New Year's gift of 2014. But now the Railway Minister, in his answer, he is saying that it will be completed in March 2015, subject to availability of fund. Again, there is a confusion. The question of fund is there. So, Railway Minister must assure us. He is assured in this House that it will be completed in March 2015. Madam, there are projects which are not mentioned in the Railway Minister's reply.